To begin, drill a 25 mm hole in the top rim of your water tank. Insert the threaded tank connector into the hole. Tighten the nut to secure it in place. Then install the tap. Move your tank into position beside the downpipe. Use a tape measure to mark a point on the pipe that's 30 mm lower than the tank connector. Step 4. Cut the downpipe. At the mark, use a hacksaw or angle grinder to carefully cut out a section of the downpipe. Insert the diverter into the cut pipe. Make sure the open side faces up and that it fits snugly in place. If you have multiple tanks, you can use the maze linking kit to connect them and increase your water storage. Drill the same size hole in the second tank near the rim. Insert the connection fitting and tighten. Use the hose provided to link the two tanks via the installed fittings. If the tanks are farther apart, you can use a longer pipe to bridge the gap. Attach the hose from the diverter outlet to the tank connector. Secure both ends to prevent leaks. Reattach any brackets you removed. Your system is now installed and ready to harvest rainwater. Test it during the next rainfall or pour water into the gutter to check the flow.